Vladimir Putin's hopelessly corrupt generals are siphoning off billions from the army while soldiers flog stolen gear and vehicles on Russia's version of eBay, an investigation by The Sun Online has revealed. Online marketplace Avito is awash with state-of-the-art Russian military kit at a time when Putin's soldiers are being sent to the front line in Ukraine poorly armed and poorly supplied. Hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of state-of-the-art armor, rifle attachments and bulletproof military vehicles are being flogged on the site, as uncovered by The Sun Online. And this is not all old equipment which can be easily picked up at military surplus depots. This is equipment which remains in service with Russian troops. Weapons expert Sam Cranny Evans, from the think tank Rusi, told The Sun Online the practice of Russian officers selling off military equipment online is surprisingly common. He said the salaries of unit commanders are so low they've been known to supplement their income by selling whatever they've got. Shipments of new body armor or equipment is often sold online rather than being issued to troops, with sometimes recruits even having to buy the gear back just so they have some protection. And this apparent corruption comes right from the top of the Russian military, with experts saying even generals are stealing cash from the coffers. Putin's mafia state is one of the most corrupt in the world, being ranked 136 out of 180 countries in 2021 by Transparency International. Also on sale is 6B-45 body armor, the standard Russian military armor being used in Ukraine, for around $97, along with high-grade special ops helmets and granite bulletproof coverings. And a full vest with helmet will set buyers back $280, with a pair of granite bulletproof plates for $135. Buyers can also pick up other items from the Ratnik system to augment their armor, such as water filters and radios. Nick Brown, from defense intelligence firm Janes, told The Sun Online the equipment being sold online is currently being used by the Russian army. He said, the vehicles and armor, plate carriers etc. are all current in-service Russian equipment. And it comes as the Russian army has been hopelessly exposed in Ukraine, with one of the world's largest military forces being turned back by the much smaller resistance. Vladimir Putin is believed to have expected he could roll over the country in a matter of days. But instead his army has lost 45,000 soldiers, nearly 2,000 tanks, more than 400 aircraft and thousands of trucks. Mr. Cranny Evans, from the think tank Rusi, said officers flog armor and other training kit online, keeping the cash for themselves and hand conscripts with rusty, dated gear. He told The Sun Online, what happens is that senior soldiers sell that uniform on Avito and keep the proceeds and hand down uniforms from the previous year. Now imagine that happening with body armor. Eventually you end up in a very bad situation where the body armor they do have available is rotten, destroyed, or just not there. Mr. Cranny Evans said there were also deals are done between the defense ministry and those defense institutions. They're dominated by oligarchs, backhanders. It leads to so many problems, he added. Another truck, from 2005, is on sale for just over $265,000 and comes with windows and doors that have a ballistic resistance level and correspond to the armor level of the car body, the ad reads. It provides protection for the crew from secondary armor fragments when armor-piercing bullets, shell fragments and mines hit the hull, the seller, who will only do business over the phone, writes. It also comes fit with a khaki interior and can accommodate 9 people, including the driver, and appears to have been sold 2 times previously on Avito. One photo on the advert shows a man in casual clothes filling up the gigantic truck at a gas station. Past full mo. Write and call on business. The ad from Moscow ends. It's not clear whether the vehicle was purloined from the Russian army, but it does show how easily it is for Avito buyers to get their hands on military-grade vehicles.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.